जा नीचे। This one is one of the ELECTROWELD brand 2.5 kVA portable spot welding machine. It is hung to a spring balancer. It has got integrated transformer. It has got electrode arms with electrodes. It has got electronic controller mounted at the back, and it has got a limit switch for starting the weld. Now this can weld from 18 gauge to 32 gauge MS and SS components. This machine is used where the job cannot be taken to the machine. This machine can be taken to the job anywhere since it's portable. Now we'll show you the working of the spot welding machine. These here two are the chromium copper electrodes. This over here is the electronic timer. Here you can adjust the weld timing depending upon the thickness of the sheet. Say supposing you want to weld 18 gauge plus 18 gauge SS MS components, keep the weld timing say about 20 cycles. Then you can keep the jaw between the two electrodes like this, and then press this lever till the welding takes place. See, this is how it is welded. Thank you. We'll once again show you the spot welding of 20 gauge plus 20 gauge SS components to be spot welded by adjusting the time over here, and then by clamping the jaw between the two electrodes and pressing this lever fully, you can see the weld taking place and see how the weld is done properly. Now it will not break. Similarly, you can keep on spot welding various components where the job cannot be brought to the machine, but this machine can be taken to the job by spot welding. Thank you.